Well, the sun's going down. Hadn't had no more rain today since last night, but look like it's building again. But I'm out here checking the okra plant. They need picking again. And I'm not really a big fan. Man, my camera fogging up. A big fan of this Texas Hill Country red okra. If you don't pick it while it's real small, it is tough. And that's on the verge of being tough. So let's go check the other okra. Got cucumbers coming back since it's cooler weather. Where is it? There it is. There's one. That's another one. Got all them beetle bugs on it. Couple more. That one down there just took off and started going everywhere. And all of these bean plants here has not made one single bean that I have found. Got sprouts everywhere, but what caused it to not make any beans at all, I have no idea. I have fertilized it. It's got plenty of water. No beans. But let's check the okra plants down here. Got okra everywhere. And I need to get to picking it. Lord have mercy. I bet you there's 5 pounds of okra here. Everywhere. So I better get to work before the sun goes down. Looks like we'll be freezing some more okra. Know how many plants I planted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 or 14 plants. And there is a plenty in this raised bed. So I better get to work, y'all. Well, it looks like we got a big nasty storm headed our way. Look around here and see if I can get a better look. Don't hear no thundering. And I got all kinds of limbs down around here. This poor old oak tree, I don't know if it's dying or what. I don't know if that's gonna get us or not. Have to wait and see. Beautiful colors though. What you doing? I'm looking at the clouds. What are you doing? You got shoes on this time? Yeah. So the ants won't get you? I got shoes on. All right. Say hi. Hi. Say, I'm walking around. Where are you going? Well, that was headed this way. Now it's moving back the other way. Wow. It came all the way up to over here. Then started going back that way.
It's pink. Purple. Come on, let's go to Aunt Bee's.
It looks pink.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Well, I guess it's not headed this way, thank God. We don't need no more rain right now. It's still wet, wet, wet. And the grass is getting deep, deep again. I just mowed last week and it's already past your ankles. So, hope y'all enjoyed the weather. Hopefully it don't backtrack and come back this way. Funny how it was up there and now it's going back that way again. Later, y'all. Well, Autumn's still got a watermelon growing. Watermelon plants are everywhere. I gotta look up these bugs and see what they are. They're everywhere. Well, the okra plants here in the tubs didn't do too well. So that was just an experiment. I wanted to see how well it would do. It grew a little, then it kind of just stopped for some reason. It got grass growing in the tub. Anyway, I need to get all these tubs moved back there. And I want to turn this into a place to plant in the ground eventually. Need to get rid of all this old lumber. Hey. Anyway, I gotta get some chickens for the coop. Haven't got the logs in there yet for them to get on. And I need to build a porch here. It's gonna be neat to have 4. I think we're getting 4. What Brandy said. I'm letting Brandy handle that part. So thanks for watching, and this is an okra pick see. I didn't get as many as I thought it was. Y'all hang on. I'll let y'all see when I get back in the house. I really don't feel like messing with this hill country okra. To me, it's not as flavorful as the regular okra. Oh well, maybe chickens can eat it. Now it's raining. That don't make no sense at all. Clouds moved up on me a while ago, then they moved back out, and now it's raining. Oh well, time to go in the house. Later, y'all.